Good morning, fourth grade. Here I'm going to show you an example of how to find the area of combined rectangles. So before watching this video, we should have already viewed the formula for the area of a rectangle, which we know is length times width, and we should have already viewed how to use the app. Now, first thing we need to do is to draw a line to create two rectangles, because if we try and find the area of this whole shape, it's not exactly a rectangle, so we have a missing area here. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to draw a line, create two rectangles, find the area of each rectangle, and then add those areas together. So I will draw my line. I'm going to draw it right here, and that creates rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Now, I need to find the area of rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, and I will add them together. Now we know our formula for a rectangle is area equals length times width. So using that formula, I will find the area of rectangle 1, starting first, which will be our length is 5 feet and our width is 9 feet. So the area, as I said, will be the area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. So now I can fill in the area of rectangle 1 will be the length 5 times the width 9 plus, I'm going to look at rectangle 2 now because we have to add rectangle 2, the area of rectangle 2. My length is 7. I'm going to multiply it by the width, which will be 14. Now that I've plugged it into my formula, I can just solve. We know 5 times 9 is 45. The area of rectangle 1 is 45. I will then add that to the area of rectangle 2, which is 7 times 14. That will give me 98. Now I will add the two areas together. So 45 plus 98 will equal 143. But as we know, when I'm finding my area, I'm not just multiplying my length and my width. I'm actually multiplying 5 feet times 9 feet. So when you multiply units, feet times feet, you will get units squared. So it will actually be 143 square feet. Now again, when you multiply feet times feet, it will become square feet. If we were finding perimeter, we're just adding, so it would just stay as feet, but in area, your units always become squared because you're not just multiplying the length and the width, you're also multiplying the units, and the units become squared. So my answer will be 143 square feet.